This is a used Bighorn at Avalon RV. We thought we would check out. Has the more ride hitch. Made by Heartland.
Fancy decor in here.
You think?
Look at the roof.
Yeah.
I mean, it's not super fancy, but...
Hey, Bighorns are well built. It's well built.
Mm-hmm. Yeah, it's got hardwood cupboards. And you got your dual shades.
You know, these don't look as high, do they, above the couch as the one at the RV show in January.
I don't know.
It looks like the roof slopes down, which lowers them. The ones that were
It's
at
got a desk area.
the ones they had at the RV show, you had trouble just reaching to here.
Yeah.
So I think they've straightened the roof line out on the ones at the show.
See here? You can pull this out for a desk area.
Yeah.
He's got struts.
Mm-hmm. Got connections, but yeah, the satellite equipment's right there.
Yeah,
That's
Jensen.
Jensen, that's a good brand.
Got the DVD player.
This has an oven.
Yes. And look, here's a great big drawer over here. Decent sized drawers.
Mm-hmm. Side by side fridge.
There's another big drawer.
This is 13,550 pounds empty. So, you got the truck right now that'll tow it, probably.
No, mine's an 03, so it'll only handle 10,000.
Oh, the newer ones will do it.
Yeah, the newer ones will go up to 817.5, I think.
Yeah.
But not mine.
This is like the one we had.
Plus, it's a gas. I got to get a diesel. So I'm gonna go sit in the chair.
You know, I don't think they make this floor plan anymore.
Oh yeah?
Yeah. So when you're taking pictures of, it might not be.
Oh, we
Get down the future.
right.
Mm-hmm.
Well, I'm not 100% sure.
You know, I like this furniture. Almost feels better quality, more comfortable than the mobile suite.
Uh-huh.
Do you think so or not?
It felt comfortable.
Can you lay down on the couch?
I did not try that. Wow, this is a huge sink there. And the little sink.
My battery's getting down on the camera.
Pull out faucet.
You like the sink? Same thing, just around
But
it.
this one's huge. I mean, look how big that is.
Mhm.
You could learn to live with it.
Let's just show the sinks. Oh, yes. Know what you don't have. That is a
No, there's tables at the end of them, and there's plug.
plug back there.
Mm-hmm.
I'm gonna take the battery box back up. You can
No,
be here
that's-
a while, or
Yeah, we'll be here long
enough.
We'll be here. Well, a good 15, 20
you're
minutes.
you're walking, or you want me to come back and get you?
We can walk it.
Okay, it's up to you.
Not that far.
All right.
I appreciate it. Thank
Not
you.
that far, but I want to get the box in case Mel needs the battery.
No, that's fine.
Okay.
Thank you.
Patients get testy when you take their stuff.
So this pulls out, so there's probably going to be a leaf in there. And the nice thing about this table is...
You have a big drawer down
Oh, here's
here.
one big one over there.
A little, but it's narrow. This one's big.
Yeah.
This one's wide. See?
Mm-hmm. But that one's also deep and
Deep,
wide.
yeah.
I can't get the one under the stove. I think it's a fake.
No,
Okay.
no, it's not. It wouldn't. They wouldn't have a handle on it if it was.
But the
fake.
stove is kind of like what we have. It's got that...
Oh, okay. Built
three
built
burner.
in the two. And I don't have an issue with that.
No. We could work with that.
We know how to maintain them.
Mm-hmm.
You
And,
don't. Now you
this
don't.
Is,
You don't have a cabinet.
this is plastic, I think.
It's not real tile like
Feel
ours.
it. I don't think it is.
No, it's rubber. It's rubbery.
Rubber. There's a cubby back here for like spices or something.
Right. Okay, so the backsplash. But you know what? A rubber backsplash will wash easy.
Yeah, it would
And
wash.
it's light. It's
Yeah.
lighter in weight.
And this is a micro convection combination oven.
Yeah, and that's a wine rack.
Yeah, you can tell this is a used unit because it's got the markings on it. Right here, did you get the sinks?
Yes.
Okay, I'm gonna put the covers back.
All right, I want you to sit down on both sides of the table. Or hang on. Maybe we both can sit down there. This. Now see, I have more room over here.
Yeah, and see, pick up. You can move.
No,
Oh.
it's screwed down. It's bolted down.
Oh. Latch? I don't have any
Snap.
latches.
Snap with a piece of plastic.
I don't have one over here. Oh,
Just one. And there's
okay,
the
so
leak.
there's a leak.
Right. Which way does it go in? Doesn't make a difference. There. There.
So that's a decent sized table.
Yeah. So this is under 50,000. It's in the 40s.
It's
I think.
30, 40 feet.
No, I'm talking dollars.
Oh.
Yeah, that's what he said. This is price. This is a good price for this.
I mean, the windows get learn to live with.
Yeah. Like he said, you don't have the knob came off. Screw needs to put back. Like he said though, the insulation value isn't the thickness of the walls. I don't think it's the same.
It's got artwork already on it.
Well, that goes with that. If
Yeah.
and that's if it's not light.
Oh, that's true. It could be light. Just let some air in.
Yeah, we gotta make sure we shut them because the sales won't move.
Right. There's a plug down there. Plugs behind each of these back here.
So is this, actually,
Oh no, this feels nice.
you might have more room on that side.
Oh, here's all your remotes. 4 of them.
Mm-hmm. This one, like I said, I think the other Bighorn had a straighter roof
What the heck is
line.
this one? Jensen. Oh.
Fan, stereo.
No, look, Jensen. Look.
Stereo, yeah, stereo. I kind of like these hanging down. No,
Yeah,
this
I
is
do like
this
that.
is dirty. The screen that needs cleaned a little, but now you got the
I
fab.
can reach these to
Right.
open, but
Yeah, well, but I'm saying
stuff that
I
doesn't-
think the new roof line is straight, and that put the cabinets up higher even.
okay.
But
And there's a little bit
you
of
can-
storage.
Got some fabric in that, but in the
But it
curtains.
doesn't look bad.
No, and these curtains you're not going to catch on the shades either. How about the pantry there?
Hold on, I'm going to see the fridge.
Okay. Bigger than the one we got at home.
Yeah, it has water filter.
Right. But
Ha-
it's
freezer.
a residential.
Yeah, it's got an ice maker, and yeah, it is residential.
Those. The pantry there. A lot of pantry space.
Yeah.
Okay.
That's pretty good. And the trash, they got this. You could put a trash can in there, I think.
Okay.
I'm pretty sure it would go.
Oh yeah. That one actually looks like you could put a tall kitchen trash.
It's a half bath.
You know that?
Wow.
This is gonna have a front bath. Remember
This is nice.
Yeah. A lot of cupboards, half
There's a fan in here. It's not a max fan, but it's a fan.
toilet. Yeah, it's a cheapy fan. But you could always change it out.
Plastic sink.
Yep.
Why in the world?
You know what? I think we noticed that at the show on the Bighorn. There was one that we saw that had solid cabinets, and we talked about how they had plastic sink
Here's your cupboard.
and a plastic backsplash. Because we
A
made
little bit of
it.
storage up here.
We made a comment. It's like they go to all the trouble of putting in solid wood cabinets, but then they put in cheap sink and backsplash. Here's a drawer,
Oh, no, that's handy.
and you got a register here and here. One maybe in maybe in air and the other out.
There's nowhere to put a CPAP. There's
Okay.
no plugs either.
Yeah, your CPAP wouldn't fit on those.
No, it wouldn't. And there's no shelf above it.
Which means you'd either have to find a little table you sit beside the bed
Right.
and you move it every time you move, or you just don't buy a unit like this.
Yep, there's a front bath.
Definitely solid wood in the front bath.
See, it's got the rectangle.
Oh yeah,
shower.
this I remember in the
Here, open
picture,
this up.
the T shape sink area.
I can make it work.
Hold on, give me a minute. Toilet, shower. It's not too tight, or you would.
I can make it work.
You could live with it. Alright. You're gonna need your
Washer,
flash.
dryer.
Well, I get. Hold
Oh,
on.
it's my flashlight right there. Yep, this is a washer dryer. There's no rod in here, but there are shelves.
You know, a rod is not hard to put in there. You just take the shelves
True.
out and you buy a rod. Here, shut that.
You don't have a light on. Oh.
You do have dresser drawers in here.
Oh, okay.
4, 3 in 1.
One little one.
Yeah.
Alright, you do have a closet. Here's what it looks like with the clothes.
So.
If you go down there and look on the platform of the bed, there is a plug. And there's one on this side too.
Yeah.
So you could plug like a phone charger in.
Right. With an adapter.
There's shelves here beside the bed
Right.
for glasses or a cell phone. But between the two windows there and this, you could get a draft going through here.
Yeah.
It's not that bad of a unit.
Yeah.
I mean, I
for a
don't
Bighorn. Yeah.
Yeah, I don't understand why they did plastic sinks,
I don't either.
but it's
Okay.
not that bad of a unit. I mean, I think it's kind of
Well,
cute.
shut the windows that you got open. I'm gonna go out here and walk around.
Yeah, I know the furniture seems like it's more sturdy.
The trailer hitch is smaller back here than on the mobile suite. The mobile suite's got a bigger one for a bigger opening. Your hot water tank is on this side, the door side. Definitely large storage area. Yeah. But the access stuff behind the storage area, you got to crawl up in there with a screwdriver and remove the panels with screws. There's not sliders.
Ouch.
No sliders.
Oh,
And the hot water tank is here, so if you're running off of gas and you're sitting here under the awning in your chair, you're gonna hear that sucker fire up. You know?
it's got a register, so it's heated down here.
Right. But it's nice and big.
Electronic leveling.
Right, they got it on this side. But see, your hot water tank's here. It's usually always the other side.
Yeah, that's not an issue.
And you got 30-pound tanks, one on each side like we have.
Mm-hmm.
Not those big 40-pound.
Speakers on the outside.
Yeah.
And there's a plug right here.
Right. Let's see if this is open. This is like ours. Little latch is clear up here. Or that thing barely holds. Okay, it's got a big battery box, generator area. hydraulic for the thing. You know what we didn't do was measure. Okay, hold this. So,
We didn't measure the door wall thickness.
yeah, what's going on here? This needs pushed up there. You gotta pick it up a little bit. Yeah, I wouldn't mind measuring the wall thickness back
Okay.
there. The other LP tank. Here's your water closet right there for your sewer.
Got it?
Yeah, sewer and your water hookup. That's the way, and that's the way Mobile Suite was doing it until just recently. It looks
Yeah.
like. So,
There's your upper shower.
you know what? Open that door up and let's measure that door. See if it's any thicker. Because the Mobile Suite was only like 1.25 inches, I noticed. Alright, hold it. It's the same, 1.25 inches, so the thickness of the door is the same.
Okay.
There, it's the interior walls that would be the big difference. Yeah, there's your sewer
Oh
hooked
yeah.
up.
You have like
Down
3
below.
because you have that half bath that comes in.
Yeah. Yeah, I think it's 40. No, this was 37.
Oh, what's this?
Or was it 40? Storage.
Oh,
Hold on. I'm going all over the place. Okay.
oh, that's under the TV.
Yeah. Retractable.
Oh, so it must be a power cord.
It must be in here.
Yeah.
Yeah, because there's the cutouts where you can bring the cord
Yeah.
out. Okay.
I wish these side windows open, but they don't.
They don't?
No.
They don't tip out even?
I did not see a way to do that.
Okay. They may not. Well, then that's... Okay. It is in nice shape. I
Yeah,
mean,
it
the
is.
exterior coating and everything.
Yeah, it's
And
in
it
very
does have a
nice
rubber
shape.
roof.
What year was it? Did you know?
2015, I believe.
Oh, okay.
Paper.
That's a flagpole holder.
I see that paper's in your bag there
Oh.
with all the details. Now it only has the awning at the door and forward, but
No, all you have in. Oh, there's the big one. 40,110. 38 feet long. Oh, it's only 38.
yeah. I'm gonna hold this a minute.
Has one AC unit.
Really?
Yeah.
Okay, so if you come back. Technically, let's go there to there. See, it's about 2 1/4, so it's 1 inch less in thickness ventilation. I'm gonna go up on the roof real quick.
Okay.
I thought there was, but there's 2. I'm up here. Now it's got a bat wing, but
It's 26 feet.
okay. Well, still, it's only 2 years old.
Yeah, they've only got one air conditioner
Yeah, well, there's 2 on it.
and a big awning.
A big one like ours, but
Uh-huh.
it's not bad.
No, it's not.
I mean, it's not, it won't be here when we're ready to buy it, probably. But
Probably not.
like I said, I just wanted to look at it.
He said they didn't think they made that floor plan anymore, though.
No, I think that big part of it. See how the roof drops down like our Cougar up there?
Yeah.
That's why I think they've straightened the roof line out.